In this video, I got 10 more new RedBubble trends, the second to last RedBubble trends of this year. You're going to want to stay for this one. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juno with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you like to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 new RedBubble trends for this week. I have 3 hot trends and 7 low competition trends. I found these trends for you so that you can design for these trends and hopefully they will help you get more sales this year. I'm using the same techniques that I used in my last video on how I find trends, hot trends, as well as low competition trends. You can do the same, and you're going to want to stay till the end of this video so that you can see all 10 trends. I'm going to make it nice for you so that you can take a screenshot, use it for your to-do list for this week, as well as another addition of trend credits. So lots of trends in this video. Let's get to it. I'm going to go to RedBubble now and show you the 10 trends. So here we are in RedBubble. I'm going to start off with the 3 hottest trends this week. The hottest trends that I found anyway. So the first one is for next month. I'm going to start typing in vegan, and you'll notice veganary right here. So this is like vegan and January mashed together, veganary. You can see some of the other tags, vegan life, vegans, veganary 2021. So you can see that. Let's look at the best selling right here. This is a really hot one right now. You can see it has a lot of results, but not extremely high. A lot of them don't actually say veganary. So you can do, you could say veganary in some of your designs, but if you just want to do some vegan things and tag it veganary, I think that would work as well. So just think of things that people who are vegan would like, and I think you'll do really well. So here, kind of what you're seeing, fruits and vegetables, oat milk, that kind of thing. So there you go. My first hot trend right here, veganary for this week. Try that one. Make sure to use some of these tags as well when you do that design. So for my next trend, I'm going to start typing in here gaming, and you can see here gaming makes me happy. There's a bunch of them here, so don't forget about these, but gaming makes me happy, you not so much. That's the one I'm going to pick. And let's look at it. So under 2,000 results, so not as high as the other one, but I think this one will do really well. You saw that the gaming makes me happy had 3 of them that were trending. So if you want to use all 3 of those tags and make something here, gaming makes me happy. Gaming, I think, is going to be really big in 2021. I mean, it's huge already, but I think it's going to be even bigger in 2021. So think of your audience. The audience is someone who loves gaming. So usually someone in their 20s, maybe 30s, maybe even teens. So that kind of range who loves gaming and would love to put this on their laptop or wear it as a shirt or something like that. Okay, so that's the idea. So gaming makes me happy, you not so much. That's the number 2 trend for this video. So my third hot trend for you guys here is another workout one. And let me show you what it is. It is my workout is reading in bed until my arms hurt. So I think there's going to be a lot of workout things that sell in January in the new year, because that's a big resolution people love to do, is work out, eat healthier, those kinds of things. So you can see here about 1,200 results. Let's look at the best selling here. And this can be a workout shirt, but it can be kind of like a fake workout shirt. So you can use that style, but it's for people who love reading books, but also want to look like they're working out. So think of those things, kind of mash those things together. Does that make sense? So there you go. My workout is reading in my bed until my arms hurt. That is trend number 3, your third hot trend. So now we're on to the trends with less competition or low competition. These next 7 are going to have very low competition. So the first one here, trend number 4 in this video, is going to be certified foodie. So again, with the food eating, I think this will do really well in 2021. So you can see here, only 261 results. Let's look at the best selling here. So you can see the competition, approved foodie. So even these 2, the top 2 doesn't even say certified foodie. It was just in the tag. So this one actually does say certified foodie. So there's some room here to break into this one. So the audience here is a foodie, people who love food, and it should look like some kind of award or trophy or some kind of ribbon, that kind of thing. Certified foodie. So that is your trend number 4. So trend number 5 in this video is another gamer one. So let me show you. I have 2 titles, Sister and Gamer. So you can see here, the gamer theme is just huge. 129 results, and you can see that it was trending. Let's look at the bestsellers. So this one, the audience, of course, is a sister or a girl, female, and a gamer. So match those 2 things together. Make sure that it's something that a female gamer would love to wear. This is your trend number 5 for this video. Have fun with this one. So for trend number 6, I have something about the vaccination. So let's type this: educated, motivated, vaccinated. So I believe this trend was for other vaccinations previously, but I think this will start trending because of the vaccination we have for COVID-19. So keep an eye on this one. Only 105 results. Take a look at the best selling right here. Mostly words, so if you can add a graphic in here and make it look good, I would suggest doing that. But you can see a lot of these just mostly words right now. You can do a lot with this one. Only 105 results, so very low results. I would get on this one quick and make something cool. So trend number 7 in this video is an animal t-shirt. And let me show you what animal. The orca. The orca is my spirit animal. So you can see right here. The orca is my spirit animal. Under 100 results, so very low results. And if you do this one well, I think you'll get a lot of sales because for some reason, orcas are really popular right now. You can see right here, orca is my spirit animal. There's lots of different ways to do this. Orcas are really cool. They got that nice color and shape, so it's very recognizable as well. So you can see here all these orcas. There's different ways to draw the orcas as well. Those of you that love to draw animals, this is a great one to get into. The orca is my spirit animal. So trend number 8 has to do with homeschool, since we're still in the state of people having school at home. Homeschool, so there's 2 of them. Home space school is my cardio, or homeschool as one word is my cardio. I'm going to choose this one. Home space school is my cardio. So you can see just 96 results. The other one I think had more results. So you can put both as your tags because they're both trending. So let's look at best selling here. Homeschool is my cardio. Think of those that are homeschool. So these are for teenagers in high school or less, could be even younger than high school, that are doing school at home. Think of cardio, think of homeschool, things that you can do for cardio, maybe running, or things that are for homeschool. Some of the graphics for that would be books or laptop, those kind of things. So homeschool is my cardio. Don't forget your audience and use relevant graphics and tags for this one. Homeschool is my cardio is trend number 8. So trend number 9 is a funny saying. It's easy peasy right here. And there's lots of ways to do this. Let me show you the best selling here. A lot of people are putting easy peasy squeezy with lemon. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, you can see here. That may be trademark. I haven't looked. You should check that out. But easy peasy isn't. So you can just use that if you want. And some of these, I don't know why these are easy peasy, but some of these are. So this is your competition here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Actually, let's check if easy peasy lemon squeezy is. To check trademarks, go to uspto.trademark here. Click that. Click here. I'm going to show you how to check by checking for you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see. Nope, not that way. Let's see if we spell it easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. How about that? Ah, it says it's live here. It it is not for t-shirts, so you're good on this one. So easy peasy lemon squeezy is not trademark. You can use it here as well. Make sure to put this tag in, easy peasy. Only 86 results for this trend number 9. So my last trend for this video is make education great again. So let's go here, bestsellers. Make education great again. So lots of ways you can do it. Think of stickers, t-shirts, you know. It doesn't have to look like the Trump Make America Great Again, although someone has done it here. I would say do your own design. Very low results. So if people are looking for this, Make Education Great Again, only 81 results, so very low results. You can break into this one. Make sure yours stand out. Right now, I think this one stands out a lot. So if you can make yours even better than that, great. I think people would buy it. So this is trend number 10, your last trend for this video. Let's look at all the trends together so that you can take a snapshot and do your to-do list and see all 10 at once. So here they are, all 10 trends from this video, all nicely put here in a list. This is your time to take the screenshot and make your to-do list. These are the ones that I showed. The top 3 are hot trends. Make sure to do those if you can. And the other 7 are low competition trends. So if you need even more than this, then go to my other video and I show you how to find low competition trends as well as hot trends, so you can do that. And think about the next few months. Think about 2021, how people want to make resolutions, as well as Valentine's Day. Those are going to be hot trends to look for. That is it for this video and my trend video, my second to last trend video for 2020. You're going to want to make sure to see the next one, which will be my last video for 2020. I'll have 10 more videos again next week. And leave in the comments what you think will be trending next year, early next year. I'd like to hear it to see if you can guess what things you are going to be working on for next year, 2021. Thanks again for staying all the way to the end, and stay tuned for another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying till the end for these trend credits. Here is your trend for today. People who tolerate me on a daily basis. You can see here, they are the real heroes. So look at the BSRs here, 2,000, 361,000. There's some 793,000. So you can see some low BSRs, 399,000. So checking Merch Informer, it's getting an A here. I have a link in the description for Merch Informer if you don't have it already. This is a great way to check your competition right here. Again, here is your trend, people who tolerate me on a daily basis shirt. And that's kind of right here. Make your own design for this one. Don't do exactly like this. You can see these two kind of look alike. Make yours stand out. Make it different. Make yours better than these. This is your competition. You don't want to do the same as your competition. You want to do it better than your competition. So again, this is your trend. People who tolerate me on a daily basis. Thanks so much for staying till the end. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it gave you some value. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.